Hi, good morning everyone. We are at 99 workouts, and today again on the third episode we have a special guest. Um, his name, if you're in the food industry and if you don't know this person, I'm sure you've not been in Pune for long. So I'm going to introduce this person today from the fitness background as well, you can say, because we met in the gym. When we met around 20 years back, we met in the gym. So follow me and let me introduce to this amazing person. I'm sure you must be getting familiar with the surroundings and who are we going to meet today. On 99 workouts, we have our guest, Mr. Darayas Durabji. Well, hi Darayas. Welcome to 99 Workouts. And it's my pleasure to meet you early in the morning. If you ever want to meet this person, you have to meet him early in the morning. He's there for sure. And he's got a lot of interesting stories apart from being busy with his restaurant. We'll talk about how does he take out time to work out, because I've always seen him, like, no matter what, whether it's a party time or anything, if he comes back late in the morning, he's back at work and he's at the gym. So how does he find time? How does he do this? We say that we don't have time to work out, but if you see the schedules of people, you'll understand that people take out time, no matter if their regular business is there, they take care of this business, but how they take out time. So that is, we need to talk about this, because a lot of people want to know how do you find time. So shall we sit somewhere? Let's get comfortable. Guys, this is going to be a very interesting episode, because I've seen Darayas working out, in gyms, wherever he goes, he takes out time and tries to squeeze in workouts.
Yeah.
Well, it's early in the morning, so we have chai time and breakfast time. And then it gets very busy. We are at Durabji and Sons. How old is Durabji?
It's only 150 years old.
150 years old. And he says it's only 150 years.
Seriously, yeah?
Yes. And he just has won the Times Food Award, I believe.
This day before yesterday.
Yeah, it's one of the most famous Parsi restaurants. And if you haven't been here and if you have not tasted, people still say that the food has not changed at all. And I believe
for us, time has stopped.
Right.
That's exactly what it is. So we are exactly where we are.
Right. And Darayas, tell me something. I believe you cook everything, and you come here very early in the morning.
I come here by about 6 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm a chef by profession too.
Right.
And I go in the kitchen. That's my job, and
Right.
I'm very happy.
Right.
I come jumping to work every day.
Wow, that's really inspiring. 6 o'clock in the morning, come rain, sunshine, he's there. Because he has to start this place in the morning, and it gets busier by the day. Over the weekend, I have been here over the weekend, and you hardly find space. Year after year. The rest, we met in the gym. I think it was 2000 sometime.
I'll tell you, 2001, if I'm not mistaken.
Right. 2001. Yes. So we met in 2001. It's now nearly 18 years, and we're sitting and talking about this 99 workouts is basically about regular people who are in different professions but still find time to go and exercise. Because we want to motivate people, because most of the people say that we don't find time and things like that. So how do you incorporate workout in fitness?
See, actually for me, fitness has come in from a very childhood age.
Right.
My dad has incorporated it.
Right.
It was incorporated from my grandfather to my dad. He was a wrestler. My dad was a bodybuilder. He was Mr. Pune in 1956. So it was always as childhood. He used to take us to the gym, take us to the race course. Because he used to say, okay, do your calves. When we were about, I think, 6 or 7, he used to say your calves have to be developed. So it was actually incorporated when we were a child, when I was a child. And since then, it was not looking back. It means I make it a point that 1 hour in a day, no matter what happens, no matter. However busy I am, 1 hour, 6 times a week, hitting the gym. It's more entertaining than anything else.
Right. See, Parsis are famous about
being eccentric.
Yeah, and they're fun-loving people, like but they're about food.
Yeah.
But I've noticed one thing that every Parsi family I've met, they're somewhere talking about bodybuilding and gym. And what is this? How does it come? Like,
See, it has been genetically, I think, sound also. It is just that way. So, and if you see, like the oldest gym in Pune is also a Parsi gym, Fishers.
Right.
I don't know if you've heard about it.
Yes,
But it's one of the pioneers in Pune.
Right.
And it used to be Burman physical culture before Fishers took over.
Okay.
And that time my dad used to work out over there. My grandfather has worked out over there. My great grandfather has worked out over there.
So that's a huge history apart from the food industry, working out in, of course, Fishers, everyone has to know. If you're new to Pune, if you're new to Pune and if you don't know Fishers, that's the birth of fitness in Pune, I think. And if you go back to all these old photographs, you have to see Dorabji and Sons. It has. You kept the layout.
It is the same. We haven't changed it.
So, what is the idea behind it?
It gives you the rustic look and like it's home away from home.
Right.
Like people when they come after years, they still feel that they're in the same place.
Oh, wow. So when we walk in, the first photograph you see is of a very handsome man. Who's that?
That's my dad when he was 18. That was his first photograph when he won the competition.
So if you walk into a restaurant like Dorabji and Sons, and the first photograph which you see is of this beautiful man who is showing his physique. So it's so inspiring. Like early in the morning when you come and you see someone with good physique. The first picture in a restaurant, where people come to eat.
But my dad, when we were a kid, he used to get all these flex magazines, and that time it wasn't even available.
Right.
There used to be a Vaman and Dastur, and he used to import it, and he was the only guy who used to have those, the muscle fitness magazines.
Right. So tell me something. You've been here for. You were born in Pune?
I was born in Pune.
Okay. So you've seen the changing trend in fitness, like earlier, people used to do this hardcore workout. And what difference do you see now?
See, to me, actually, fitness is a lifestyle.
Right.
Okay? It can be sports, it can be anything.
Right.
Okay, it's not necessarily that you're in the gym.
Right.
You can even do it at home.
Right.
So basically, and now the trend has come that people are using the word body weight.
Right.
Things have changed. They're not into hardcore,
Right.
and I think that helps too anyway. It's just to be fit.
Right.
Basically, it's that you have the energy to work after that,
Right.
and it basically gives you the passion of going to the gym or going for a sport or even doing it at home.
Right.
And I'm sure everyone can make half an hour a day.
Yes.
It's just possible.
Yes.
However busy you are.
Yes. So if you actually see Daray's his schedule, if you have to meet him, I think 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock you come here, this is the first person you will meet. And Daray's loves partying, I know. And even if you party still early, week hours in the morning, he is back at work. And by evening, so how do you find time to take rest? Because it's very important.
See, I do take rest. I do have my power naps in the afternoon too.
Right. Do you cover like 7-8 hours?
I cover about 6 hours actually.
Okay.
6 hours is what I cover. There are days when I can go in for 10 hours, so those are my lucky days which are rare there. So.
Okay.
But then I make it a point that we have my schedule, that's what it is. Like even my meals, I have them at a particular time and that's it. So I'm very, very strict about all that. Of course I eat everything, I don't diet.
Right.
Never have dieted before, but
so there has to be something, as this is a very famous non-vegetarian food place. So I'm sure a lot of fitness guys, all these bodybuilders and all will be coming in.
we have a lot of them. Because of the high protein diet.
Right.
And especially we have Kaizat, who's one of my very regular patrons. And in fact, he recommends everyone at K11 to have their meals over here.
Okay.
And we know when he comes, we know if he's having a high protein meal without any carbs, we ask him, are you from K11? And they say, yeah.
So you can see that even the foodies are inspired and they come here, especially if they want to have a high protein diet, so this is the right place to be. There is very important, lately the Prime Minister has announced the Fit India movement officially. So how do you feel about it?
No, I think it's a very nice move. Very, very nice.
Right.
It has motivated a lot of people, I'm sure.
Right.
And including me, that's what it is.
Right.
So it is something that I think it should be incorporated, but I think the parents have to look into their children today.
Right.
They have to see that the children are being incorporated in the fitness field.
Right.
It is an upbringing that has to change also.
Right. How do you see fitness and health in the near future in Pune?
I think it's growing. It's growing leaps and bounds.
Okay.
Like the amount of people that are hitting the gym, the amount of people that are going to clubs to, exercise, play a game, something or the other is growing. It's a very growing, and I think it should grow even further.
So that was from Darius, and he has this restaurant in what street is this?
Dastur Mehra.
Yeah, Dastur Mehra Road in Pune, which is one of the oldest restaurants. If you don't know about this restaurant, believe me, you don't know about Pune. It's like that because
We are the oldest. Actually, we are the oldest in Pune, and
yes,
we are the third oldest in India now.
right. Wow. So, and they're featured in most of the shows, like a lot of shooting happen here. I believe a lot of celebrities have also come here, and so it's so amazing. And I won't take much of his time because it's early morning Sunday, and I had to catch him at this time because day gets busier from here. And thank you, Darius, very much for this to feature in my 99 workouts.
And all the best, man.
Thank you so much. And I'll put it in one word: is if you're a foodie, protein, food, fitness, all goes together. There are 3 F's. They say fashion, fitness, and food. They all go together, parallel. And if you want to have a delicious meal, a non-vegetarian, even a vegetarian,
We have, yeah. We don't have many options.
Yes. So
You are a vegetarian.
what is your body weight?
My body weight 95.
So we have a 95 kg weight guy, and there is 121 kgs veg. So there is a lot of myth. We'll discuss about this later. And thank you very much. We'll have the next guest coming very soon. Again, a surprise. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Vishal.